chain, this ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck is you? Yo, put away, it's some bad bitches coming through. I'll get 2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. Yikes, I play tap and you play for life. Yikes, do a clown, you do it for likes. Yikes, yes it's tight, but it doesn't bite. Whip the right, 80 light. Yikes, what's the hype? This is something like.
Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video. Yep, if you're new to the family, honey, stay tuned for this video because it's gonna be what bomb. So let's get into it. So today I'm reviewing this wig, and I got this wig from Amazon vendor. It was Lucy Hair Wigs. This is what it came in. And it came with a wig cap. But I didn't use this wig cap because I already had a wig cap. So yeah, this is what it came in. And this is what it's looking like, you guys. Get into this hair, because honey, if you've seen the title, you already know what that this was an affordable wig, honey. Affordable one, period. You know, I had to bring y'all something, affordable, something that we could get for the cheap, because we be looking for something for the cheap shit. Y'all already know. So yes, this wig was only $46. Only $46. Look how it's looking. And this is a teal color, you guys. I hope it's showing right on the camera. Yes, this is a teal color. Get into this hair, honey. Get into this hair. Get into it. Look at that lace. And yes, honey, this is a synthetic wig. And the way that it's feeling, it feels so soft, you guys. It feels so soft. I got a little shedding from it. But I mean, we're gonna get some shedding. I mean, it's a synthetic wig, and wigs shed. So this is what we got from that. So yes, this wig is so cute. I was like a little hesitant of getting this wig. I was like, oh, should I get this color? But your girl always likes to try something different. So I was just like, I'm gonna try it. And this is what it came out looking like. Period. So yeah, this is what it came out looking like. I hope you guys like. If you guys like this, let me know in the comments. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you feeling about it, sis. Let me know if you vibing with it. Let me know if you're not vibing with it. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. And let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you enjoyed the video that I had before. Let me know. Just let me know, because I like coming back with new stuff for you guys. I like giving you guys what you like to see. So let me know in the comments what you want to see. Just let me know. Leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. I'm just like, but yeah, leave me a comment. And then like this video, share it out if you enjoyed it, sis. And if you're new to the family, welcome, honey. Welcome. Subscribe to my channel, because it's definitely gonna be stuff coming new all the time. I'm coming with new stuff all the time. I like my channel to be versatile, so I'm definitely gonna bring something new for you, period. So if you're new to the family, hit that subscribe button. And if y'all returners, you already know what it is. Sis. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you feeling about this hair. And we getting out of this video. Peace.
bitches know I'm the fucking queen. You hoe bitches know. You dirty bum bitches know. Got the strings on them.